High above Salalah, Ittin Cave offers stunning mountain views and calm natural beauty. A perfect escape into nature. Herb sparkles Salalah, Oman, located in the Dhofar Mountains of southern Oman. Ittin Cave is one of Salalah's most scenic natural landmarks. Unlike deep underground caves, Ittin Cave is a wide rock shelter formed from limestone over thousands of years. It opens like a natural balcony, offering panoramic views of the valleys below. Situated just about 20 kilometers from Salalah city, this place is easily accessible and popular among nature lovers and hikers. During the Khareef season, from June to September, the surrounding mountains turn green, mist covers the valleys, and cool winds flow through the cave, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Ittin Cave is not only a viewpoint, but also a reminder of how nature slowly shapes the land over time. Standing here, above the city, one can feel the silence, the breeze, and the timeless beauty of Oman's natural landscapes.